Hey guys, how are you guys doing? All right, you guys, so this is your beautiful mama B&B. So you guys, I'm actually preparing for office, and I thought that I need to go with some of my clothes that I've actually not been wearing before. Do you understand? You know, since I'm actually going to be going out, especially like going to the office and all, going to several places, I need to, gather up clothes. Do you understand? This is actually the time that I'm going to be putting on clothes, wearing clothes, hairs, looking all beautiful. So I need to go and get some few makeups that I have actually run out of, and then I need to go and get slippers that I'm going to be wearing in the office. Not as if I don't have, but at least I need to continually change. And then I need to go and refurbish, like change this clothes. See this clothes? See this clothes that I wore here? The day I wore this clothes was the very last day, the very first day, and the last day I wore it, about 5 years ago. So you guys, I still have the clothes. Let me show you guys. That was actually my traditional wear when we're doing our wedding. So this is the clothes. It is so freaking heavy. Like, this lace is so heavy. I don't know why it's this heavy. This lace, as at that time, cost us how much? The lace, as at that time, cost us 90,000 to buy this lace. Just this lace. I was asking my mom, what is there in that lace, because she bought it in Lagos. I actually sent money for her to buy it in Lagos for me. So she bought this lace, 90,000 naira, and I was asking myself, what is there in this lace? You guys, you need to touch this lace and know what is there. It's so freaking heavy. The stones, the shiny things in it makes the lace so sophisticated. Do you understand? So what I want to do, since I've actually not, hold on, let me turn the camera this way. Since I've actually not been wearing the lace for a whole long time, or I would not be wearing the style, because I don't even need this kind of style. Like, it's actually our traditional wear, so I don't need to like wear it out like every day or every other day. You get? So I need to change the style, use the lace and sew something else. So I'm thinking maybe I should sew skirt and blouse, or I should sew gown, because gown is going to give me this rich auntie look. I'm a rich auntie, so I'm not going to say rich auntie vibe, because when I use rich auntie vibe, it therefore means that you're not rich, or you're just acting rich. But I'm rich. Okay, you guys, so yeah, I'm actually thinking, what am I going to use it to sew? Is it skirts and blouse, or is it just gown, maybe free gown and stuff? I'm not going to use it to sew free gown. I think I'm going to use it to sew skirt and blouse, so that, see, when I do my hands like this, you know, when you fix nails, if you're among the categories of people that fix nails, when you fix nails, your hand gonna sit it to do like this, so that people go see say you don't fix nails. Anyway, so another one is this particular lace. This lace, I bought it 25,000 naira. What is in the lace that has to be that expensive? So I bought 5 yards, and 1 yard was 5,000 naira. Do you understand? Even as at that time, the lace is, it's with a lot of stone and it's so heavy. That's why I hardly wear it. And plus this whole fluffy feather stuff that is actually here, that's why I've actually not been wearing this particular lace also. And then it has this spare that she gave me in case I want to remove this thing. In fact, as if she knew my mind, because I want to remove this fluffy feather stuff, because with this I cannot wash this cloth. Do you understand? So I'm going to be using this one to form another hand, maybe like a cup hand, to suit that top. And then this is actually the skirt. It's actually like it's actually a 6 pieces skirt. It flows and look beautiful. So I don't know if it's still going to size me in waist or in hips. That is why I'm actually just carrying it, so that I'll go and test it in the tailor place. So there's this tailor I got around the other side, and she's actually a little affordable. So listen, I need someone that's a little affordable so that we can do deals. You know, I don't like spending too much, but of course I love to look. I want to always look good. So you guys, and then let me show you. I've actually gone to draw out my wig. I treated this wig some days ago, like about 1 week ago. Put in the treatment and kept it. You guys, this wig is so freaking soft. I didn't know the treatment is gonna work out really good like this, because I thought maybe because I didn't take it to the salon for them to treat it for me. And then this one too, I treated it. It's so freaking soft. It's so soft, and I know it's going to fit me a whole lot. I love this wig. I bought this wig many years ago, and I actually changed the color. I regretted changing the color of this wig, because this wig gave me all of the things I needed. It gives me that look. This wig usually used to be very fine until I changed the color. So when I now changed the color to this color, I actually didn't like it anymore. But after treating it, you guys, I just wanted it to be very soft. It's so freaking soft. So now I need to take it to the salon for them to stretch it for me, because I don't have stretcher. I don't have hot iron, and then I don't have hot comb. So if I'd had all of that, I would have done it myself. I wish it was when my sister was around. Do you understand? Then I would have used her home to do it myself, because I know how to do all of those things. Do you understand? So I would have done it myself. I don't necessarily need to spend money, because I don't like anyway. So the wigs now are so freaking soft and fluffy, back to the original state, the way it came. I hope so, because I know that I'm just looking forward to when I would stretch it to see how it's really look. Okay, so yeah, so I'm actually going to the office, but the first place I'm gonna go buy mascara for my eye, and then eyelashes glue, because I didn't fix eyelashes, and I want to, do you understand, I want to look. And then I need to go to the tailor shop, and then I need to go to wear again before even getting to the office. So I'm gonna waste a whole lot of maybe 2 hours or thereabouts before getting to the office. So I might take you guys along, do you understand, or I might not. So that's why I'm actually doing this video here, because a whole lot of stuff, like carrying my baby, I wouldn't want to keep him too long in the car waiting. Do you understand? So let's go. The very first place I'm going to stop is to drop this hair in a salon for them to stretch it for me. I would have loved to wear one. Let me show you how this particular hair looks. I would have loved to wear one right now, but it is not stretched, so I'm gonna keep it sideways. So I'm actually not intending to just have one look, because I cut my hair, so I'm not going to do anything. No, I'm going to be wearing wig. I'm going to be wearing other things just to look beautiful, because beauty is my is among my list of to do this year. Do you understand? So this is how it would have looked like if I had worn it. Do you understand? And this is the fluffiness I wanted. You can see that. So yeah, having said all of that, let me go and stretch it first so that it will give me that stretch feeling and all. Yeah, let's go.